In a rush? This game day ready recipe is worth cheering for and comes together in a snap. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how a few simple swaps can create a spicy dip lower in fat and calories. And when it comes to piling on the protein, it's considered a double threat. Cottage cheese buffalo chicken dip. To get started, adjust your oven rack in the center and preheat the broiler to high. Then, in a blender, place 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot Original Sauce, 1 12-ounce container of 1% low-fat cottage cheese, and a 1/4 cup of Hy-Vee plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Cover and blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds or until smooth. Cottage cheese is king for slow digesting protein, which can help build muscle and support a healthy metabolism. Once that's done, transfer the mixture to a 1.5 quart broiler-safe baking dish. Stir in 6 ounces of Hy-Vee picked rotisserie chicken breast, finely shredded, and top with a 1/2 cup of finely shredded reduced-fat sharp cheddar cheese. Broil this dish for 5 to 7 minutes or until heated through and cheese is bubbly and beginning to brown. Let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes or until dip begins to slightly thicken. Serve with unsalted tortilla chips and vegetables like carrots, celery sticks, and mini bell peppers. Garnish with soiree blue cheese crumbles and green onions. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Your path to a healthier you starts at Hy-Vee. Let our team of registered dietitians help provide nutritional guidance and support tailored to your lifestyle.